Under the scorching California sun, where endless vineyards stretch, a grand journey unfolds. Each year, over 773 million pounds of raisins are produced here, accounting for nearly all of the United States output. But how many truly understand? To get those sweet, chewy raisins, farmers go through an elaborate process, from planting the seeds of hope, meticulous care, to harvesting, sun-drying under the harsh sun, and finally, refined processing. Today, we will explore each stage of this marvelous production chain, where modern agricultural technology has reshaped the relationship between humans and nature. Have you ever tasted the flavor of California raisins? Close your eyes and feel it. Because in every raisin, there's a story of patience and labor that we need to hear. As winter's last warmth lingers on California soil, each spring signals the beginning of a journey, the journey of cultivation. From dawn, farmers are in the fields, their hands skilled with spades, their eyes constantly observing the soil. Thousands of holes are meticulously dug, each vine row precisely 3 feet apart, a scientific arrangement, optimizing space and resources. On each acre, about 950 grapevines are planted, primarily the Thompson seedless variety, the pride of this land. California raisin farms are mainly concentrated in the San Joaquin Valley, with about 147,000 acres planted in 2020 and over 5,000 workers involved in this work. They understand that 3 years is a test of patience, as today's care will shape future harvests. Automatic irrigation systems operate continuously, delivering water to each root precisely, avoiding waste. Temperature and humidity sensors constantly collect data, transmitted to a control center to optimize growing conditions, demonstrating the deep application of advanced agricultural techniques in interacting with the environment. California is fortunate to have a typical Mediterranean climate: hot, dry summers and mild winters, ideal conditions for grapevines to thrive. Under long sunshine and warm, dry breezes, the vines grow vigorously, roots deeply embedded, leaves photosynthesizing optimally, preparing for the upcoming fruit season. From planting to the appearance of the first grapes, each stage requires patience, a belief in nature's ability to reward human effort. As young vine rows cover the land, farmers know they have begun a new life cycle, where every drop of sweat and technology form the foundation for sustainable agriculture in harmony with nature. Once the young grapevines have taken root, the care phase begins, a process requiring science and patience. California farmers understand that to produce intensely sweet raisins, it's necessary to build from the ground up, healthy, balanced vine shoots. Each branch is hand-pruned, a job requiring precision to shape the plant's development. The vines are trained and guided along steel trellises, oriented towards the sun to optimize photosynthesis. Here, agricultural technology is an effective communication tool between humans and nature. Across the farms, wireless sensor systems continuously monitor soil moisture and temperature. This data is transmitted to a control center to adjust irrigation and nutrient regimes rhythmically. The combination of farmers' long-standing experience and modern technology helps each vine grow uniformly, limiting pests and diseases without excessive chemical use. This is evidence of the green agriculture philosophy: clean, sustainable, and environmentally respectful cultivation. In spring, when the first young grape clusters appear, skilled workers perform thinning, removing about 25% of the young clusters. This action ensures that the remaining clusters are adequately nourished, yielding the best quality. This work requires meticulousness and foresight, as a small error can affect final yield and quality. Under the sun exceeding 90 degrees Fahrenheit, they work continuously, earning $8 to $13 per hour, contributing to the agricultural heritage. Simultaneously, agricultural engineers monitor the photosynthetic index of each grape lot via satellite imagery. Upon detecting signs of water or nutrient deficiency, they adjust the automated irrigation and nutrient systems or through a central control system. The entire process is monitored like a sophisticated biological chain, where every leaf is cared for with data and intelligence. As summer arrives, the vineyard is clad in vibrant green, leaves rustling gently in the dry wind, signaling abundant life. Amidst this scene, farmers gaze at their achievements, their eyes filled with faith and understanding. They know that each vine branch today will be a valuable raw material for the upcoming harvest, where modern agricultural technology and human hands will write the next chapter of a grand story. Before moving to the next part, consider this. If you were a farmer in the California vineyards, how would you choose to care for thousands of grapevines, trusting entirely in modern agricultural technology as objective knowledge, or still wanting to touch each leaf yourself to feel and connect with the silent vitality of nature? In September, when the California sky is clear and the late summer sun illuminates ripening grape rows, harvest begins a new chapter. Across the valleys, hundreds of workers and modern machines work in harmony, creating a vibrant scene. Each plump, glistening grape cluster is harvested in a hurried and exciting atmosphere, like an important ritual. This is the peak moment of the entire year, where all the farmers' efforts and patience are rewarded with the brilliant purple of the harvest. In traditional farms, workers hand-pick grapes, gently cutting each cluster to avoid bruising. Meanwhile, in farms utilizing modern technology, automated harvesting machines move along the grape rows, their mechanical arms gently shaking the fruit into collection trays below. One such machine can replace the labor of 30 people, saving time and ensuring consistent quality. Though machines are common, human hands still play an irreplaceable role. They inspect each grape tray, removing damaged or sunburnt grapes to retain the best clusters. Outdoor temperatures can reach 95 degrees Fahrenheit, making the work arduous, challenging physical and mental limits. However, amidst that vast space, gentle smiles can still be seen, glistening with sweat under the sun. For farmers, each harvest is a festival of faith and perseverance. After harvesting, heavy baskets of grapes are quickly loaded onto transport vehicles. All operations must be fast and precise, because even a day's delay will reduce the natural sugar content in the fruit, directly affecting its flavor and drying quality. Advanced agricultural techniques are applied to control temperature and humidity in each container, ensuring grapes maintain optimal freshness when leaving the field. Viewed from above, the vineyards appear as winding purple ribbons in the heart of the San Joaquin Valley. Lines of vehicles follow one another, transporting billions of grapes to the drying area, creating a lively yet orderly and systematic scene, an expression of human will and intellect. All operate like a giant machine, driven by community spirit and a deep understanding of natural cycles. Each grape cluster harvested today holds not only economic value, but also symbolizes the harmony between nature, technology, and human intellect. From the hands of workers to modern machines, every element aims for a single goal: to produce the most perfect raisins. As dusk descends on the valley, the sunlight fades, and the sound of harvesting machines ceases. Farmers quietly observe the plump grape containers ready for the next stage. In that moment, they know their journey is not yet over. Ahead lies the most magical stage, where the sun will complete their work in the challenging drying process. If you had the chance to stand in a sun-drenched California vineyard, would you choose to experience hand-picking grapes to feel and connect with the sweet aroma of ripe fruit? Or would you try operating a modern harvesting machine to witness firsthand the power and significance of modern agricultural technology in reshaping the relationship between humans and nature? As the grape trucks leave the field, it marks the beginning of the grape's profound transformation. In the heart of the San Joaquin Valley, where the sun is as fierce as fire, billions of grapes are spread out on huge craft paper sheets, stretching like an endless purple sea under the sky. There's no longer the sound of machinery or human voices, only the gentle whisper of dry wind and a sweet aroma permeating the air. It's a silent ritual of nature, where sunlight and time together create magic. Drying grapes is a stage that requires patience and experience, a trust in natural laws, although modern agricultural technology now provides much support. Each morning, workers check the moisture content of each grape, flipping each row to ensure even drying, a meticulous task. Under the sun exceeding 95 degrees Fahrenheit, they work diligently for 3 weeks straight, accompanying nature's transformation. Viewed from above, the drying fields appear as brilliant golden carpets reflecting light, a scene both majestic and poetic, where life is being concentrated. It is the sun, the invisible hand of the universe, that helps the sugar in the grapes concentrate and refine, creating a natural flavor that no artificial dryer can replicate, because it lacks the elements of time and patience. However, not everything is smooth sailing. In California, an unexpected strong wind or a few drops of unseasonal rain are enough to make farmers worry about the fragility of everything. That's why many farms have adopted and elevated green agriculture systems to protect raisins. They use transparent covers, allowing sunlight to pass through, but blocking wind and dust. A clever protective solution. Some places also experiment with solar drying chambers, where temperature, humidity, and airflow are controlled by smart sensors, like a symphony between human intellect and cosmic energy. Thanks to advanced agricultural techniques, drying time is shortened by 30% and optimized, while retaining natural color and flavor, proof of the balance between efficiency and essence. These grapes are no longer merely agricultural products, but vivid testaments to the perfect combination of age-old tradition and advanced science. California farmers consider it a marriage between sun and technology, a symbol of innovation in the U.S. agricultural industry and in the mindset of sustainable development. At the end of the drying process, billions of grapes have shriveled, their wrinkled skins containing stories of time, concentrated sugar, and aroma within. The deep purple color transforms into amber brown, emitting the distinctive sweet scent of California raisins. Workers collect each drying sheet, folding them with precise movements. These baskets of raisins will be transported to the factory for the final stage, processing and packaging, ready to be sent to the world. Amidst the quiet space, farmers watch the drying sheets gradually empty and smile, a smile of contentment. The sun has completed its part and bestowed its essence. From the juicy grapes of summer, nature has created the sweetest gift, raisins containing the essence of earth wind, and the resonance with technological intelligence. After 3 weeks of sun drying, the craft paper sheets contain plump, amber-brown raisins, emitting a gentle sweet aroma, a scent of transformation. Their journey continues at modern processing plants, where technology and humans together complete the final masterpiece of the harvest. Large trucks carrying thousands of pounds of raisins line up, entering the industrial area north of the San Joaquin Valley. The factory doors open, revealing a world of industrial machines with rhythmic sounds and reflecting steel, along with the rhythm of creation in a space where human intellect is materialized. The first stage is washing and cleaning, a purification process for a new journey. Pure water, filtered through a UV disinfection system, flows abundantly over conveyor belts of raisins. Mechanical arms move rhythmically, removing impurities, dry stems, and remaining debris. Then, the raisins are moved to supplementary drying chambers, where agricultural technology precisely controls the temperature to the degree. This process helps the raisins achieve uniform dryness, retaining their natural sweetness without losing their original color. Next is the sorting stage, an impressive technology representing the pinnacle of modern agricultural technology. High-speed AI camera systems scan each raisin, identifying its size, color, gloss, and automatically channeling it into different groups. In a few seconds, millions of grapes are intricately arranged, seemingly without human intervention. However, at the end of the line, experienced workers still meticulously observe, their eyes being the final layer of inspection, ensuring quality before packaging. Because artificial intelligence is just a tool, while understanding and perception still belong to humans. Standardized raisins are then transferred to the automated packaging area. Packaging is printed with QR codes for traceability, indicating the production batch, growing region, and harvest time. A transparent story. Many California factories now operate entirely on solar energy and reuse wash water in a circular process, a reflection of the green agriculture spirit, aiming for sustainable and environmentally friendly development. Before leaving the factory, each batch undergoes strict quality control, a commitment to quality. Random samples are tested for sugar content, moisture, and nutritional value. Raisins meeting standards are distributed throughout the U.S. and exported to over 60 countries, from Japan, Korea, to European and Southeast Asian countries, not just a product, but an ambassador of an agricultural philosophy. As the production line stops, finished raisin boxes are neatly stacked, emitting a gentle aroma. The engineer performs a final check, looking through the large glass panel where the afternoon sun shines in, nodding slightly, a nod of satisfaction and understanding. From sun-drenched fields, through human hands and intellect, California raisins are now ready to go out into the world, becoming a symbol and testament to the synergy of technology, nature, and labor. 3 core elements that define the essence and redefine modern agricultural technology in the United States. When you see millions of raisins sorted, packaged, and shipped worldwide, what do you think truly makes American agriculture more special? Is it the boundless power of modern agricultural technology, or the enduring spirit, pride, and deep connection of the farmers who work tirelessly in the California fields? From the sun-drenched vineyards where life is nurtured, to modern processing lines where human intellect flourishes. The journey of California Raisins is a symbol of the power of modern agricultural technology and the enduring spirit of American farmers, those who have harmonized with the rhythm of the earth. Each stage, from planting, meticulous care, harvesting, sun-drying, to refined processing, profoundly illustrates the blend of human ingenuity and advanced agricultural science. These tiny raisins are the culmination of immense effort, unwavering faith in nature, and the unceasing aspiration of a green agriculture, a sustainable philosophy for existence. If you believe that modern agriculture, with all its complexity and sophistication, is the foundation and solution for humanity's future, where we learn to live in harmony with the universe, please press like to support that belief. Subscribe to continue our contemplative journey and turn on notifications to receive upcoming videos, stories that will continue to unravel the essence of life. Every share of yours is a source of motivation and knowledge dissemination, helping us continue to tell meaningful stories about agricultural techniques where technology, humans, and nature together create and define true value for this world, a world that we are co-creating and contemplating.